our 88 cup option. Now, we know and love LocknLock with all of their smaller versions. Now they said, let's give the biggest ever because we have larger things that we want to keep airtight, watertight. Let's give handles so we can move this from place to place. Yes, you can store your rice and your bulk food items in here, but how about your documents? How about your important memorabilia? My mom and my stepdad had a water main break. Their water heater exploded in their apartment. My stepdad spent days ironing out his baseball cards because they were stored under the bed in a cardboard box and they got soaking wet. Luckily, they're pretty much okay, but it took hours of him ironing his baseball cards. This is what we need to store those important items because we are going to be protected if there is water, and we can store these very easily in our attics, on our shelves, in our garages. 88 cups. Now, it has been so popular, over 60,000 have been sold to date on QVC. We had 24 colors that are now gone. We have 9 colors remaining. So I'm going to take you through the color options. Many of you do pick up more than one of these, so I would consider the easy pay. $8.25 gets this home to you. So whether you want to pick up 1 or 2 or 10, it's a fantastic option. All that we know and love from LocknLock, just in a larger capacity. This is your spearmint. Here's your clear option. On QVC.com, we have the denim blue for you. There's your forest green. Now that is new this month. We have the golden sand for you. We have platinum. That is also new this month. Plumberry. And there's the red option. And I'm just seeing this wonderful note that Celeste, my product coordinator, left, that she has 3 of these and has already ordered another one. So this is really wonderful. So our QVC family is definitely approving of these ones. Janine, so many people have been snatching these up and they absolutely love them.
And for good reason, because you're able to do so much with these. And you know what? The truth of the matter is we all have stuff. We all have
Oh, yeah.
stuff. Some of it
I'm in the process of
gone.
moving right now, and nothing teaches you that you have too much stuff than moving. I have to tell you. Oh my goodness.
It is the truth. And you know, if there's ever a time where you should be getting rid of things, it's when you are moving, right?
Agreed.
But it's so funny because a lot of things I have in my attic and I want to keep it. And maybe it was my grandmother's or it was my father's. And I say, you know, I may never touch it again, but you know what? Just knowing I have it makes me happier. And I feel like, so it's the things that we don't touch often, or it's the things that we do. So for so many different reasons, you will use this. And 88 cups is quite a bit of storage that you're getting, but it's not such a big tote that it's cumbersome.
Right.
And that it's too bulky and heavy for you to pick up. You get the, I'm going to move this to the side. You get your 2 handles on here. And what I love is that these lay flat, so they collapse right down, and then that's how you're able to store one on top of the other. Now, you can get totes in the big box stores, but they're not airtight and watertight. No. They don't have a seal.
The lid pops off in a second.
Exactly. So here is, you still get the seal on here, so you can put food in here, by the way. Maybe you're going to the family reunion, or maybe it was the holidays that just passed and you made tons of cookies. I know a lot of people were putting their cookies in here in layers. You could do cookies. You could do a big, you know, maybe you're making the pasta. Maybe it's the big salad. Maybe it's your, I'm sorry, what's the word I'm looking for? Your chicken.
Your chicken wings?
Why can't I think? Fried chicken. That's
your fried chicken. Yes. Oh my gosh, that'd be a lot of fried chicken.
But really, I mean, if you're having those big gatherings, it could be for that. But I like how you said earlier, like, I feel bad for your stepfather, I think you said?
My stepdad and my mom, But it's okay. Mostly the baseball cards are all good, thank goodness. But yeah, the water just burst and he had them stored under the bed. This is what they needed to keep everything safe and protected.
Yeah, and years ago, my aunt lost a lot of family photos in her basement. Same thing. She had water got in.
Yeah.
So when water infiltrates an area, it ruins an area.
Right.
And so that's why it's nice to have these. Maybe you're putting all those family albums in here and the photos in here. I was talking to a friend today, you know, a lot of things are happening in the world right now. And, you know, we were just in conversation and I was saying, you know, first you get everyone out of your house and then what do you go back for? For everyone, I think it's different, but I want to save my photos for
Yeah.
family history.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Things of that nature that mean something to you. And it's to each their own, right? Here you have these wonderful, like maybe you're putting in here, maybe it's all your decoration. So it could be
Right,
your
for the
Christmas
holidays.
decorations. It could be your holiday, right? It could be Easter that's coming up, Valentine's Day decorations in here.
Yeah.
So we've got some really cute little placemats and
Oh,
the
I love
Valentines,
that.
right? How
Yeah,
cute.
so darling. I want to go through the color choices again because we've had over 100 gone right now. We're loving these. We're losing colors, but we still have beautiful color options for you. This is your spearmint, and then this is your clear with that blue seal on the clear. Now, you'll notice we're going to talk about the wheels in a second, but the wheels are going to match back to the color of the lid, which is just so smart. We have the red for you. There's the red. We also have the denim blue. Forest green, new this month. Your golden sand. Platinum is also new this month. I love that color, so chic. And the plumberry as well. Janine, let's talk about these wheels because I would think for this size, we wouldn't always expect to get the wheels. And even when you buy those larger totes that you can pick up and are really flimsy, they don't usually have wheels either. This is really nice.
Yeah, so if you have something in here that's really heavy, you just lift one of those handles and then you glide it along and you just pull it. You just pull it towards you or pull it with you, which is really nice. So we wanted to make it, again, ease of use for you.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the big bulk items that you're putting in here too, Rachel. When you go to the big box stores and you get the bulk items, the rice, the dog food, the K-cups, things like that. If you're a baker, you could put your flour, your sugar, your chocolate chips in here, all of your little cookie cutters, and your equipment can go in here, which is really nice.
That's great. I also love that there's this front handle as well. So if you don't want to use the top handles, maybe this is stored on a higher shelf for you. You can just grab from here and pull too. So really LocknLock has thought of everything.
I know. And you know, in this one, I have ice melt, right? Snow melt.
Smart.
So,
yes, which is heavy.
Because this time it's so heavy. Now, would I typically leave it in this bag? No, but I like to show you what it is. So maybe you do leave your extra bags in here, or maybe you open it, you pour it into this, which is what I'll do. And then you have a scooper in there, right? So that you could scoop it out onto your walk path, your driveway, out front of your, maybe your front door steps or whatever it is, so that you're not slipping and sliding and getting hurt when we have bad weather, right?
Yeah.
So we thought of a lot of different things. You could put toys in here. You could make a cute, if you know someone that is expecting, you could make a cute baby basket for this.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Isn't that cute? Fill it with diapers and all the things that the babies need, you know, and some cute little outfits could go in there with that. You can stack and store these. Again, that's that nice profile on these. These are not so big that they are going to take up, and you know, so much space. And I love that. But they're big enough where you get your essentials in here. And I say, you know, you get what you need in there, which is really nice. And then I have to show you this one. I just have to. Maybe it's the tailgate.
Yep,
okay.
Love that.
And maybe, maybe you're getting ready or you're gifting. Instead of the bag, this is how you're gifting it. And then you say, there's the LocknLock for you. You put the lid right under here. Now, check it out, though. We've got the blanket. Dun, dun, dun. I think you know the colors of that game.
I know. I was going to ask you, is that the forest green lid that you took off of that one? Because that would be pretty ideal.
I know Chance. I know Chance. My producer loves this. Come on, Chance. Yes. He
Chance says go birds.
So, but no matter who your team is, right? It's all good. But you could do something cute like that in here. I mean,
love that.
The possibilities are endless.
Yeah.
Let me say it one more time, Rachel, really quickly.
Yeah.
We all have things. We all have stuff. And you will be surprised how much better you feel when the stuff is organized.
Right.
Because you're going to keep it no matter what. At least make sure you have it organized and put away somewhere neatly.
And you know that it's safe and protected from water, airtight, so it's protected from all the dust and the grime. Beautiful option. Free shipping and handling today. This is so popular, but it's not always on free ship, so make sure you pick it up today. Here's your spearmint and your clear We're looking at $33 for this largest ever offered from LocknLock. Here's your red option. We have denim blue. There's your forest green, golden sand, platinum, and your plumberry. It is 18 inches by 11.5 by 9.5. Janine, always so good to see you. I'll see you
Rachel,
tomorrow on In the Kitchen with David.
I'll see you tomorrow. And tonight, tonight and tomorrow at 1 a.m., I have an hour with my buddy Steve Doss.
Amazing.
So we will be coming up again.
Okay, fantastic. So watch Janine and Steve at 1 a.m. tonight into tomorrow morning. Thanks so much, Janine. Have a great rest of your day.
Bye, Rachel. See you tomorrow, friends.
See you tomorrow. Oh, Janine's amazing. All right, my friends, that does it for me, but the wonderful Sam Simmons I saw around here, and was that Lisa Lasorte that I saw as well? Sounds like maybe some Temptations is coming up on a free ship day. You know Temptations flies out of here. I'll see you tomorrow on In the Kitchen with David over on QVC starting at noon. Have a great rest of your day. It was great shopping with you.